Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Do you struggle to make the most of your finances? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how you can leverage your finances like a pro with some simple steps. Let's kick things off by understanding the concept of leveraging finances and why it's crucial for achieving your financial goals. By effectively utilizing your resources, you can make your money work harder for you and ultimately grow your wealth. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to take control of your finances and start building wealth? Well, you're in luck because I'm here to share with you some simple steps to help you leverage your finances like a pro. The first step is to create a budget. This may sound basic, but it is essential to know where your money is going each month. Start by tracking your expenses for a few months to get a clear picture of your spending habits. Once you have a good understanding of where your money is going, create a budget that allocates a certain amount for necessities like rent, utilities, and groceries, as well as savings and discretionary spending. Next, focus on paying off high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt or loans with high interest rates, prioritize paying them off as quickly as possible. This will save you money in the long run and free up more cash to put towards your financial goals. Another important step is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a cushion of savings to fall back on in case of emergencies can provide peace of mind. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. Once you have your budget in place, debt under control, and emergency fund established, it's time to start investing. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Consider opening a retirement account like a 401k or IRA and contribute regularly to take advantage of compound interest. Diversification is key when it comes to investing. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce risk and maximize returns. Consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor to help you create a well-rounded investment portfolio. As you continue to grow your wealth, consider leveraging your assets to generate passive income. This could include investing in rental properties, starting a side business, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Passive income streams can provide a steady source of cash flow and help you achieve financial independence. Leveraging your finances involves using borrowed capital or other financial instruments to increase the potential return on investment. While it can amplify gains, it also comes with increased risk. To leverage your finances like a pro, you need a well-thought-out strategy, disciplined execution, and an understanding of the risks involved. Here are some simple steps to help you leverage your finances effectively. 1. Understand the basics of leverage. Definition: leverage is using borrowed money to invest, aiming to increase the potential return on your investment. This can be done through loans, margin trading, or other financial instruments. Risk and reward. Leverage can amplify both gains and losses. It's crucial to understand the potential risks and rewards before using leverage. 2. Assess your financial situation. Evaluate your financial health. Ensure you have a solid financial foundation before leveraging. This includes having an emergency fund, manageable debt levels, and a stable income. Determine your risk tolerance. Understand your risk tolerance and ensure you're comfortable with the potential volatility and loss that can come with leverage. 3. Set clear financial goals. Define objectives. Set clear, measurable financial goals. Know what you aim to achieve through leveraging, whether it's buying a home, investing in the stock market, or expanding a business. Time horizon. Determine your investment time horizon. Longer time horizons can often afford more risk, while shorter ones require more conservative strategies. Number 4. Choose the right leverage strategy. Real estate. Consider using a mortgage to buy real estate. Real estate can be a relatively stable investment, and leveraging through a mortgage allows you to control a valuable asset with less upfront capital. Stock market. Use margin accounts to buy stocks. Margin trading involves borrowing money from a broker to purchase stock, amplifying potential returns. Be cautious, as this also increases potential losses. Business expansion. Use business loans or lines of credit to expand your business operations. Leveraging can help you grow your business faster, but it's important to ensure that the increased revenue can cover the loan repayments. Peer-to-peer lending. Invest in peer-to-peer lending platforms. You can leverage your capital by lending to multiple borrowers, diversifying risk and earning interest on your loans. Number 5. Implement risk management strategies. Limit borrowing. Avoid over-leveraging by borrowing within your means. Ensure you can comfortably make loan repayments even if your investments underperform. Diversify investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Diversification can help mitigate the impact of a poor-performing investment. Set stop-loss orders. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on leveraged investments. This helps protect your capital from significant market downturns. Monitor your investments. Regularly review your leveraged investments to ensure they are performing as expected. Be prepared to make adjustments if market conditions change. 6. Maximize returns. Reinvest profits. Reinvest the profits from your leveraged investments to compound returns over time. This can accelerate the growth of your portfolio. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs to minimize taxes on your leveraged investments. This can enhance your overall returns. 7. Stay educated and informed. Continuous learning. Stay informed about market trends, economic conditions, and investment strategies. Continuous education helps you make better decisions and adapt to changing circumstances. Consult professionals. Work with financial advisors or investment professionals to get expert advice tailored to your specific situation. They can provide valuable insights and help you develop a robust leveraging strategy. 8. Have an exit strategy plan ahead. Develop an exit strategy for your leveraged investments. Know when to sell or reduce leverage to lock in profits and minimize risks. Stay flexible. Be prepared to adjust your exit strategy based on market conditions and personal financial goals. Flexibility is key to successful leveraging. Lastly, don't forget to regularly review and adjust your financial plan as needed. Life circumstances change, and your financial goals may evolve over time. Stay proactive and make adjustments to your budget, investments, and savings goals as necessary to stay on track. By following these simple steps, you can leverage your finances like a pro and take control of your financial future. Remember, financial success is not about how much money you make, but how you manage and grow the money you have. With discipline, patience, and a solid financial plan, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. If you got value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more information on financial freedom and wealth management. We would like to hear from you. Comment your thoughts on the comment section below. There are 2 videos that I prepared for you. These videos will add more value to your life. Click on one of them and watch to improve your wealth mindset.